New York's second largest venture scene in the US, one of the largest in the world. What does New York do really well in startups?
I think they do a good job. So, yeah, just for context, I started this in San Francisco. I was out in San Francisco for 9 years. I moved to New York about 7 years ago to launch like a New York office. We were originally all in person. We had an office in San Francisco. And I think the difference in New York from then until now is pretty astonishing how much the tech scene has grown. I think a lot of it is just the traditional industries in New York embracing tech and like getting involved in the ecosystem. And so I think New York has the advantage of like a very diversified set of large mid-market enterprise, small businesses, like all up and down the stack of size of company, type of company. And I think a lot of those companies are getting involved in the tech scene and in the community and are open to like looking at innovative ideas and are connecting with VC firms. And I think that makes a big difference because if you have a bunch of anchor customers there as a software company, like you're going to want to spend a lot of time in this market and or move to this market. And then I also think there's been a lot of a big growth as in probably every market, but I think New York more so than anywhere else has had a big growth in the number of VC firms and capital being deployed. And so I don't know if you're a startup, early stage startup founder, like you tend to follow capital and customers. I think New York has an abundance of both, which is great for the market.